Do you want to stop strangers from sending you private messages on Twitch? In this video, I will show you how to enable block whispers from strangers on the Twitch app step by step, so you can protect your inbox and avoid unwanted messages. This setting helps you improve your privacy and keeps your Twitch experience safer and more comfortable. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Twitch app. In this page here, we'll go to the sign of profile, so we'll tap on profile. In this window you will find here settings, so we will click on settings. Then this page you will find here this window of security and privacy, so you will click on security and privacy here, and after that here in this window you'll find block whispers from strangers. As you see here, they said to you whispers will be blocked from all strangers unless you give them permission. A stranger is anyone who is not your follower, subscriber, or mod or editor. So you click here on this sign to enable this feature here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.